This is the Nothing Ear 3. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear 3, having a close look with some amazing macro shots just to be able to appreciate the engineering that's gone into this design. Now that they're moved over to a full aluminium case that's also IP54 certified, it sounds pretty hectic. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a massive like so we can get it out to a larger audience. We also get a USB-C cable. Unfortunately, it's not that clear, transparent one that comes with the Nothing phone. We also get the different sized earplugs, so you might want to try them out and see what fits best for you. We get a little manual that no one's going to read. And it still looks cool though. I don't mind it. The case itself, if you have a closer look, it's quite small and portable, but the interesting factor here is that they've actually included a super mic, as they like to call it, on the actual case. So when you're talking on the phone, you can hold the case up to your mouth and potentially get a better quality audio than just using the standard headphones to record or to talk to someone on the phone. It's an interesting concept. I wonder how it's going to look in the end. So that's something we have to see with the full review coming up shortly. Now these actually have replaced my AirPods, but check out this design and this macro shot. It really goes to show you how much engineering and thought process went into making this transparent design look really cool. Now this is the darker version in the black color, but I think they look really stealthy and just very interesting take. And I'm really digging this transparent look that's been put out by Nothing. They're really emphasizing the design style and language. It's actually got a red dot there to indicate which side. So right's got red and the left's got a white dot. The case is also really cool. You can see straight through it. And it really just emphasizes that Nothing transparent design, which is pretty cool. Even got the little earbuds popping through the bottom there. Now to set these up on your phone, you want to open them up, connect them on Bluetooth, and they should be paired and ready to go. But the benefit of using these, and what Nothing is actually really touting, is their software implementation. So you want to download their app from the App Store. And as you guys can see here, it's going to load up their little app. And when you jump into the actual application, you can actually customize quite a lot in regards to the sound profile and the different things that this device can actually do. And one of the things that I really liked is the ability to change all of the different audio settings. So you can increase the bass, lower the bass, and even download like custom profiles from other people. And as you guys can see, just setting it up here, it's giving you a little bit of a run through how to use that super mic on the phone. I don't know how good it's going to be, because usually when you connect it over through Bluetooth, you're kind of limited to the sound quality bitrate. Something like using a DJI mic, how they have their own special connection, it usually allows for a better signal strength. We're going to do an update of the firmware. So what we have here is a few different options. We can change the noise cancelling to off, transparency, or different levels of noise cancellation. We can choose spatial audio, so you can take advantage of that. And I have used these a little bit now, and they sound wild if you have the right content. The spatial audio is next level, so something to play around with if you do have a chance to get these headphones. And if you guys are considering picking one up, I do have links in the description that will get you the best price that I can find, because they do come on special quite often. I like the fact that you can even have these set up to work with two devices using dual channel Bluetooth, which is pretty wild in itself. And we can download all these different equalizer profiles and different sound settings and tune it exactly to how you would want your music or your audio to sound. Really, really in-depth software here by Nothing. And I think that's what Carl Pei was saying, that they're really trying to build the experience for the end user through software, not just only focusing on pure hardware specs. But these are pretty awesome. I can't wait to review it and give you guys my full thoughts. You got full control over what the left and right ears do. You can change all the settings. You can customize it exactly to your liking. If you find something a little bit complicated, you can turn them off or use it for something easier that might not require triple pinches or a double pinch. Really interesting software and customization.